What's up, YouTube? Baseball Card Gamer coming at you with another video today. This is the second part of the Christmas box breaks. We got this box of 2013 Bowman draft, ready to bust. I did not pay $135 for this box. I got a discount. So you also have the super jumbo, but I want to get a box of triple threads too. So here we go. 3 autographs per pack. I actually like this year's draft class. Thinking about like Andrew Vinatieri, whatever his name is for the Red Sox. Hopefully he can give up his autos. Or one of the guys I'm gonna like try and keep and invest in. Like last year with Bradley did alright with that. But here we go, first pack. Let me lie down here. DJ Stewart. Mark Mathis. I actually know who this guy is. Is this guy from Fullerton? Or Cal Poly, yeah. I actually saw him play before, so. Big West alum right there. This guy bold. I'm going to go a little bit slow through this since I want to see all these prospects. Brenton Moss. So we got a green. I think this is a green. Or a sapphire or whatever. It's a funky color. Or this might be the blue, but it's not even numbered, so. Refractor, Reese McGuire. Brendan Rodgers, draft night. Casey Gillespie. So, don't really like this year's design that much, but it's alright. Next pack. Yeah. Dylan Tate. I actually got his autograph on an 8x10, so pretty nice Big West guy too. I actually met him. He's pretty cool. His parents actually told him to sign for us. Chris Shaw. A refractor. Refractor autograph here coming up. So Kyle Holder. I think I heard of this guy, but refractor autograph. Here's a first rounder, so I mean, the picture looks pretty familiar. But pretty nice right there for the Yankees. Blake Snell. Matt Olson. Space. Next pack. We're already at 3 minutes. That's how long the triple thread box was. Andrew Vinatieri. Yep, right there. Mariano Rivera Jr. So we got to insert a Matt Olson. Bowman Scouts. It's not numbered. Kyle Tucker. Andrew Vinatieri. Draft. Yeah, I guess. Oh, that's how. Like, I guess that's like when they got drafted from when they were high school to their college years. How many picks difference that was. At base. So. Chris Bettis. James Freeland. Bowman Scout insert. It's a refractor. No. Maybe this is a refractor. This is a refractor. I don't know. They both kind of look like refractors, but we'll just call them refractors. Put them on the side. DJ Stewart. Base. Back. 2 more autos to go, so. Randolph. Tyler Danish. Oh, Carson Fulmer. It's actually a pretty good one. Was he the first round? No, Swansby was the first round pick. He was like the 5th, I think. 5th overall pick, but no, 8th overall. But yeah, I pitched at Vanderbilt. Didn't really sign too much where, you know, you're supposed to. But he has pretty big autograph, so it's pretty nice. Carson Fulmer. Connor Biggio, blue out of 150. I think that's his nephew. Then base. So we got 6 more packs to go. Bunch of base. Connor Biggio. Sapphire. Or blue, whatever. Corny Hawkins refractor. Base. Carson Brendan Rodgers paper. I don't even know if he put a Swansby it, but just look through it after. Randolph, refractor. Juan Hellman, refractor. Corey Taylor, refractor. Zach Irwin, out of 250 purple. Manuel Margot. He's on the Padres now. 5 more packs to go. Kyle Tucker. Randolph. Yohan Lopez. Bowman Scouts, refractor. Or insert. Prelin, refractor. Refractor. Bradley Zimmer. Insert. Base. Four more packs to go. 1 more autograph left. Hopefully we get some color. Ian Happ Chrome. Dansby Swanson Chrome. The Ian Happ's pretty nice too. Refractor. Connor Biggio. Refractor. Franklin Barreto refractor. It's pretty nice. It's a thick card too. Bowman Ignition, Ian Happ. Insert. And base. Rivera Jr. Base. Roman Quinn refractor. Cole Tucker. I actually watched his day in the life video, so pretty familiar with him. Out of 150. Widely. Base. AJ Reed. So 2 more packs to go. And one more autograph left to be pulled. Insert a Billy McKinney and Ian Happ die cut. Refractor. Carson Fulmer. Gray. Out of 499. Base. Last pack should have an autograph in here. Hopefully we got some color in here. I don't think we do, but Dansby Swanson paper. Valentini. Scott, Brandon Moss. Yeah, we did get our autograph. DJ Stewart for the Orioles. Pretty nice. And base. So I'll just go sort through these things and then maybe come out with a recap video. But thanks for watching YouTube and peace.